Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and too enjoying your online classes. And today we are going to continue with the lesson, My Very Big Parcel. Let's move on to the lesson. Before moving on to the lesson, we'll see the recap of the previous classes. I hope you all understood the story. Just to refresh, I'm going to explain it again. So listen carefully. This is the lesson, My Very Big Parcel. As the name itself says, the lesson is about a very big parcel. In this lesson, there is a couple who receives a parcel. I'll read by line and explain you. Once upon a time, there lived a man and his wife. They lived in a small house with a small, neat garden. So, a man and his wife, that is couple, living together in a house. Where they are living? In a small house with small, neat garden. So, the house had garden. They were very happy. They had good friends and neighbors. So, in that small house with a small, neat garden, they lived happily and they had good friends and neighbors. Who are neighbors? Neighbors are the people who live around their house, that is, nearby residents. Though they had good relationship with their neighbors and they shared everything with them. Not only the things, their happiness and the sorrows. So they shared everything with the neighbors. One day they received a very big parcel. So what happened? One day they are receiving a big parcel. So they may not know what is inside the parcel. So you must be clear about the hard words here, right? I'll give the meanings for the hard words alone. Garden, it is the place at the field where we grow plants. And neighbors are nearby residents. Parcel, it is the package that something is wrapped with paper. And received means we are accepting something from somebody else. So the couple received a parcel. What happens if you receive a parcel? How will you feel? You feel very excited, right? The same is happening here. The couple were also excited. Excited means very thrilled or very eager to know what is inside the parcel. So both of them wanted to know if it was a huge television or some beautiful clothes, because the parcel was very big. So they thought that it must be a television or clothes inside it. They opened the parcel and found a small seed. The couple was disappointed. So, in order to know what is inside the parcel, they opened the parcel and found a small seed. So, they were expecting something big, that is huge television or clothes. So, but what happened? It had only a small seed. So, if something is happening that is not up to our expectation, how will you feel? We feel disappointed. As the same way, the couple was disappointed. Disappointed means dissatisfied. We all know couple means two things. Here, two people, man and his wife. Beautiful means good looking, and excited means eager or thrilled. So, let's see what happened next. The couple were disappointed. Then what happened? We have received a seed. So what do you do with that? No other go. We have to sow it. So the man sowed the seed and watered it. Sowed means to plant. Dig a hole and keep the seed inside a hole and close it off. That is sowing. However, the man sowed the seed and watered it. So, to know what is the seed is, he sowed the seed and watered it every day. What happens if you sow the seed and water it? The shoot appears. It started growing. So, soon a shoot appeared. Appeared means become visible. The shoot grew into a young plant and then grew taller and taller. So, what happens if you sow a seed and water it? It started growing. So little by little it started growing to a long, that is a tall tree. So higher and higher it grew until it was a big tree. So a small seed now has become a big tree. So what happens? The seed has become tree now. Then it has to give fruit, flowers, like that. So they are expecting what is going to come from the tree. Now a seed has become a big tree. What next? It has to give fruits, right? So the man and his wife were excited to see fruits growing on the tree. So they were very eager to know what is the fruit that comes from the tree. So the man picked the first apple and put it on the table of his kitchen. So at last the tree has given fruit. What is the fruit? It is a apple. So the tree has given an apple first. So they picked the apple and put it on the table of his kitchen. So what happened? After plucking the fruit from the tree, the couple put it on the table of his kitchen to cut. Then he took a knife and cut the fruit into half. So once we receive a fruit, what we'll do? We'll cut it open and eat. For the same reason, the couple also doing the same. They took the apple from the tree and cut it open. Here, what are the words? Excited and picked. Excited means we have already seen eager and thrilled or very enthusiastic. Picked means we are plucking something from the tree. So, picked means pluck or collect. They plucked the fruit from the tree and cut it open. What did they see? He was shocked to find gold coins inside. Usually, if we cut a fruit, what you'll find? You'll find only seeds inside it. But here, they found gold coins inside the apple fruit. So, if you see a gold coin in a fruit, what will do? You'll be shocked, right? The same is happening. They shocked on seeing the gold coins inside the fruit. Both of them were overjoyed and they danced merrily. So, on seeing that, they became very happy and they were dancing in joy. That is, overjoyed means extremely happy. Merrily means happily. On seeing the gold coins, the man and his wife were very happy and they were dancing. The couple decided to spend just one coin and keep the rest in the safe because the fruit had so many gold coins inside. So the couple decided to spend just one coin a day and keep the rest of the gold coins safely at home. That is, they are saving it for their future. After that, they thought that all the apples may not have gold coins. So they wanted to save the gold coins safely for future. So they decided to spend only one coin a day and keep the rest in safe. So the couple decided to keep the other coins in safe. So we don't know what is in the other fruits. They may be full of worms, said the wife. So they thought that other apples may not have gold coins inside. So they decided to keep the rest of the coins safely at home and to spend only one coin a day. Next day, the man picked another big red fruit and this too was full of gold coins. The next day, the man plucked another apple from the tree and they cut it open and found it was also full of gold coins. So they were very happy to see gold coins inside the fruit. After that, the couple was less careful with their money. So after that, on seeing the gold coins, the couple decided to spend all the money on that day itself. They were not keeping the rest of the money safely at home. So they were less careful with their money. They had a wonderful time buying fine clothes and things for the house and garden. So they started spending the gold coins, had wonderful time in buying the fine clothes and things for their house and their garden. So what are the highlighted words here? Careful, that is very cautious or aware. And the second word is wonderful. It means loving or good looking. And buying means purchasing something. Every day, the man picked another fruit and it was full of gold coins. So every day the man started plucking fruits from the tree and started collecting the gold coins, and these two were full of gold coins. So every day they went to town and had a grand time spending the money, but the couple forgot to water the tree. So every day they started collecting fruits and taking off the gold coins and the fruits and started spending it in the market. So started buying everything, whatever they want. So every day it was happening the same, but the couple forgot about the tree and didn't water the tree. If we don't water the tree, what happens? It started to dry. They forgot about the good neighbors who had always supported them in times of trouble. They not only forgot about the tree, they also forgot their neighbors who always supported them in their times of trouble. Here, what is meant by grand? Grand means the largest time they spent on buying things. Forgot means neglect or fail. Support means help. Last word is trouble. Trouble means problem. When they were in problem, their neighbors supported them. Then one day the man looked out into the garden and saw that the tree had withered. He rushed outside and threw a bucket of water over the tree, but the tree did not grow. So the tree is dried. After that, he rushed outside and threw a bucket of water, but the tree did not grow. What is meant by withered? Dried up or dead. Throw means propel something with force, that is throwing. And rushed means doing something in a hurry, that is in a short time. Till now we had the recap of the previous classes. Now we are going to move on to the rest of the lesson. I hope you understood the story right. We'll move on to the lesson now. The man frantically picked the fruits left on the tree. But when the fruits were cut, they were full of dust. Next day, the couple looked out of the window to find that tree had disappeared. They had completely neglected to take care of their garden, and now they had nothing to eat. I'll repeat it again, listen carefully. The man frantically picked the fruits left on the tree, but when the fruits were cut, they were full of dust. Next day, the couple looked out of the window to find that the tree had disappeared. They had completely neglected to take care of their garden, and now they had nothing to eat. What are the highlighted words here? Frantically, disappeared, and neglected. We'll see the syllable and meaning now, and then I'll explain you. Frantically, it has 4 syllables. F-R-A-N, Fran, T-I-C-A-L-L-Y. How to pronounce? Frantically. Frantically, meaning doing things quickly. And the next word is disappeared. It has 4 syllables. D-I-S, dis, A-P, P-E-A-R-E-D. How to pronounce? Disappeared. Here R is silent, so we have to pronounce as disappeared, meaning vanish. And the last word is neglected. It has 3 syllables, N-E-G-L-E-C-T and E-D. How to pronounce? Neglected, meaning lack of care or attention. I'll explain you, listen carefully. The man frantically picked the fruits left on the tree. Frantically means doing things quickly. So, after seeing the tree is dried, so he went off to pick the fruits which were left on the tree. After plucking the fruits, they cut the fruit into half, but the fruits were full of dust. Because the tree is dried, so that fruits from the tree must also be full of dust. It has no gold coins inside it. Next day, the couple looked out of the window to find that the tree had disappeared. So next day what happened? The fruit is full of dust and the tree itself was not there in the garden. It has disappeared. They had completely neglected to take care of their garden, and now they had nothing to eat. So, after getting gold coins from the tree, they forgot about the tree and also their neighbors. They forgot to water the tree and take care of the tree. So, it has disappeared, that is, vanished. Now they don't have anything because they didn't save anything for future. They spent all the gold coins for their own use and for their garden. Now they had nothing to eat at all. Look at the picture. They are seeing from the window and found there was no tree at all. As the weeks passed by, the man and his wife sold all the things they had bought. They felt miserable and sorry for the way they had treated their neighbors. Now they realized that they were lonely and left without any friends. But their friends and neighbors were ready to help them and gave them all they wanted to be happy. The couple realized that friendship is more valuable than any amount of gold coins. I'll read it again, listen carefully. As the weeks passed by, the man and his wife sold all the things they had bought. They felt miserable and sorry for the way they had treated their neighbors. Now they realized that they were lonely and left without any friends. But their friends and neighbors were ready to help them and gave them all they wanted to be happy. The couple realized that friendship is more valuable than any amount of gold coins. We'll see the highlighted words, that is the hard words first, and then I'll explain you. First word is miserable. It has 4 syllables. miserable. 4 syllables. And how to pronounce it? Miserable, meaning sad. And the second word is realized. It has 3 syllables. realized. And how to pronounce? Realized, meaning understood. Third word is treated. It has only 2 syllables. Treat-ed. Pronunciation is the same, treated, meaning handled. And the fourth word is valuable. It has 4 syllables. VALUABLE. 4 syllables. The pronunciation is valuable, meaning precious. The last one is friendship. It has 2 syllables. Friend and ship. And the meaning is relationship. Listen carefully. I'll explain the content. As the weeks passed by, the man and his wife sold all the things they had bought. So they were nothing to eat at all. So what happens? They need money to get something to eat. So they started selling all the things which they bought before. They started selling everything. They felt very sad. Miserable means sad, and sorry for the way they treated their neighbors. Because before receiving their parcel, they were very good friends with their neighbors. Now, after getting the gold coins, they forgot about the neighbors as well as the tree. So they felt very sad and sorry for the neighbors. Now they realized that they were lonely and left without any friends. Now they have lost the tree and the gold coins, and they also lost their neighbors, that is the friends. Now they were very lonely without money and friends. But their friends and neighbors were ready to help them and gave them all they wanted to be happy. So on seeing the couple, their friends and neighbors were ready to help them, and they gave them all the things which they wanted to be happy. So after that, the couple realized that friendship is more valuable than any amount of gold coins, because with the gold coins we cannot get the neighbors and the friends. It cannot last forever. Only the friendship will last forever. So we must spend time on our friends and the relationship with the neighbors. We must not spend time only for earning money. We must also spend time for our friends and neighbors, because it is valuable than money. I hope you all understood the lesson. I'll just summarize it. So there is a couple living in a small house with a small neat garden. They are getting a parcel. So they found a small seed inside the parcel and they sowed it. It has grown into a big tree. After that, it give a fruit, that is an apple. So they plucked the fruit from the tree and cut it open and found the fruit was full of gold coins. So they started spending it. The first day they spent only 1 coin and keep the rest. On the next day he plucked the apples and he found full of gold coins. So they started spending all the gold coins and they spent everything. At last they forgot about the tree to water and also the neighbors who were very much useful to them before. So what happened? They didn't water the tree, so the tree had withered, that is dried. So it didn't give an apple with gold coins. It was full of dust. So after that they started spending whatever they bought with the gold coins. So they sold everything and they were nothing to eat at all. At that time their neighbors helped them to be happy and gave whatever they want. Then the couple realized that we must value our friends and neighbors than money. Here is an assignment for you. In the previous classes, you have written the classwork right. You are going to continue the same notebook now. Continue with the same notebook. Write Roman letter 5, rhyming words. Start writing this and put Roman letter 6, framing sentences. Copy down all this neatly in your classwork. Check next page and write Roman letter 7. Answer the following questions. I have given 5 questions and answers here. So copy down the Roman letters neatly, that is the rhyming words, framing sentences and question answers in your classwork note which you used for writing the previous class. That is the 4 lines note, and write it neatly with pencil. Sharp your pencils and use it. Students, I hope you all understood the lesson well and all enjoyed the class, right? See you in the next class with new topic. Thank you.